Okay. First question is we have state the relationship between the given variable as an equation using k for the constant of variation. The volume V of a gas at a fixed temperature varies inversely as the pressure P. देखिए बेटा, हमने पहले किया था डायरेक्ट रिलेशन में क्या होता था, दैट इज x इज इक्वल टू के वाई, x इज इक्वल टू के वाई, और we want to find the value of k. Now in inversely proportional, this is direct relation, and in inverse relation हमने बताया था आपको that inverse relation is one is increasing then other is decreasing, and one is decreasing the other is increasing. So xy is equal to k, xy is equal to k. This is for the inverse relation and it's for the direct relation. Just remember, this is for the direct relation and it's be for the inverse relation. Okay, inverse relation. Now he is saying volume V of a gas at a fixed temperature varies inversely as the pressure P. तो आप क्या लिखेंगे इसको बेटा, स्टेटमेंट में लिखना है. तो आप कहेंगे सर वी पी इज इक्वल टू के, दैट इज वी इज इक्वल टू के बाय पी, वेयर वी इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम and P is equal to pressure. Same here, second part, B part. Current I in an electrical circuit of fixed voltage varies inversely as the resistance R. देखिए बेटा, करंट I in an electric circuit of fixed voltage varies inversely as R. R के साथ fixed voltage V R is equal to I. V R is equal to I. V sorry. V is equal to beta IR. That is, this is the relation. V is equal to IR. ठीक है. In same manner, you do the C part and the D part. Now next question. Filling the blanks in the following table, determine first whether x and y vary directly or inversely. पहले ये बताना है बेटा ये डायरेक्टली लाई कर रहे हैं या इनवर्सली लाई कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. वी हैव टेबल, दैट इज सेकंड का ए पार्ट. This is the table. Here is x, here is y. Total are 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. There are 5 columns. Here be 3, 11, 6, 22, and dash means dash 33. We want to find the value of dash 27, dash, and dash 880. Firstly, took this 3 by 11 because after solving 6 by 22, you got 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. That is 3 by 11. So compare this and that. 3 by 11 is equal to, on the filling the blanks, we put x by 33. Now cross multiply. This implies x is equal to 3 multiply 33 by 11. 11 1 is 11, 11 3 is 33. So x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Here put there y. We have 3 by 11 is equal to 27 by y. Again cross multiply, that is this implies y is equal to 27 multiply 11 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27. Y is equal to 99. Y is equal to 99. In same manner, you got this result also. We have 3 by 11 is equal to x by 880. Again cross multiply. This implies x is equal to 3 multiply 880 divided by 11. 11 1 ja 11. 11 8 ja 88. This. We got x is equal to 240. X is equal to 240. He is asking the relation varies directly or inversely. देखो बेटा, when x increase 3, 6, 9, 27 and 240. What about the y? 11, 22, 33, 99, 880 means as x increase, y also increase. So the relation is the direct relation. This is the direct relation. In second part, B part, what we will do, we have this table, that is x, y. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. We have 36, 24, 15. We want to find out dash 2 dash 1. अब देखो 30 by 6 or 20 by 4. We got 20 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. That is 5 by 1. Compare this with 15 by y. Cross multiply. This implies y is equal to 15 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. In same manner, you got this and this. That is 5 by 1 is equal to x by 2. This implies x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Now look at the table. When x decreases 30, 20, 15, 10 and so on, y also decreases. So relation is direct relation. Direct relation. Inverse relation, when one term is increasing and the other term is decreasing, then the relation is said to be inverse relation. Next question we have C part. The table is we have x and y, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 columns. 248, 3 we don't know, 4 24, this we don't know, 16 and 8 filling the blanks. No. Look, take this 2 by 48 is equal to 3 by y. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. This implies y is equal to 72. Cross multiply 24 3 ja 72. This is 72. Now in this again put 4 by 24 is equal to x. देखिए बेटा, we take 2 by 48 is equal to 3 by y. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Now cross multiply. Y is equal to 24 into 3, 72. Here put 72. Now take these two terms. 4 by 24 and dash by 16, that is x by 16. This implies x is equal to 16 multiply 4 by 24. 4 4 1 ja 4, 4 mm, 6 is 24, 2 3 is 6, and 2 8 is 16. X is equal to 8 by 3. X is equal to 8 by 3. Now look at, as x increases, sorry, I think we mistake the calculation. We did a wrong calculation. 4 by 24 is equal to x by 16. Oh no, it's okay. As x increases, y also increases and decreases. So the relation is inverse relation. In the same pattern, you got this result also. Okay. Do the D part yourself. Now, next question we have the third one. If y varies inversely as x, and if y is equal to 9, then when x is equal to 2, find y when x is equal to 3. देखिए बेटा, you know inverse relation is, what about the inverse relation? Sir, xy is equal to k. Now he is saying y is equal to 9 multiply x is equal to 2 is equal to k. This implies k is equal to 18. K की वैल्यू क्या है बेटा 18. Now he want to say find y when x is equal to 3. Find y when x is equal to 3. That is xy is equal to 18. X is equal to 3y is equal to 18. So y is equal to 18 by 3, that is 6. Y is equal to 6. Okay. In same manner, if we do the C part, we have C is inversely proportional to D, CD is equal to K. C is inversely proportional to D, that is CD is equal to K. C is 18, D is 2 by 3, we got K. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. This implies K is equal to 12. Now CD is equal to 12. When C is equal to 6 by 7, find D. 6 by 7 D is equal to 12. Then D is equal to 12 multiply 7 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. D is equal to 14. Okay. Do the third part also same. Okay. आज के लिए